Okay, so good afternoon. It's been a minute since we've made a video for this, and I thought today would be a good day to start. So we're gonna do a custom intake on the X5, and we'll just walk through it and see if we can do it. It's a K&N air filter with a few just parts from Amazon and AliExpress. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it should be fun. I'll set the camera up, hopefully get some decent angles. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is it here. Paintwork's a bit shabby. The ear's being terribly resprayed by someone before me. Tire is blooming, but the interior is pretty good. Dirty. I don't see a car key in there. I do see a car key in there. I didn't lose my keys. Yep. So the good thing is I have I have a no-code charger, a Genius 10, so I should be able to charge the car from the terminals in the engine bay. Because the boot's not opening up. But hold on a second, I have a keyhole in the boot. Never mind, what am I doing? Know your cars, people. Where's my charger? Hey, the good news is my no-code charger wasn't in the boot. The bad news is I just discovered that my key doesn't open the boot. Follow me and let me show you. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. Oh, that's embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. Okay, so time is ticking. The battery charger is taking forever. So I have a spare battery. I'm going to see if I can jump it. There it is there. So let's find out if we can get this done, get the car moved, get the Jeep in, and then I'll keep that on the charger while we're working on the Jeep. Alright, that's the update. Okay, so we got the car jumped with that battery, and yeah, now it's time to move it, get the X5 in. And then that tire blooming is so bad on that paint job. Look at that. So bad. Anyway, let's get moving on. Alright, E70's in. 3 Series over there. I kept it running because Sorry for the wind, kept it running because obviously, as I explained, the battery's dead. So yeah, time to get working on this thing now. Big beast boy. Really is. Black beauty. All black everything. I have to cut about an inch on that side to use as a grabber, and I'm probably only going to cut it a bit there to use it for the intake on the top. But yeah, we'll see how this is going to go, because I've been playing around with the grinder for so long and I'm not getting anywhere with it. I was trying to put this cover back on, this one here, but I can't get it back on. Right, so this ain't doing a great job cutting that. Look how great that is. That's a great cut. Oh, that is hot as fuck. Oh shit. Okay. So where did I say I wanted to put? There maybe? This is the piece that's going to go inside the silicone tube. I'll just file it down and smooth it off. Alright, let's mark this off. Well, by eye. So, yeah, I'm gonna go that way. So it's gonna sit like this, in a sense. And I don't know. It's gonna sit there. So I might just cut another little bit off it. We'll see. Maybe cut another inch off it or something. What do you reckon? I reckon that should be fine for the size. And then we will file it down with these files that I just bought in B&Q, and we'll see. I'm just gonna get the direction of this right, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes pretty good. Okay, quick update. I've taken the cover off. MAF's connected to the airbox. I'm currently taking that little screw off there that's holding this. I'm still hungry, I haven't ordered food yet. I'm going to order food now, so I'm going to work with this probably off camera, just for the few niggly bits, or maybe not, I don't know. But currently GoPro's on charge, so I need it to stay that like on charge, otherwise I'm getting no footage today, and I need to get this done today. So yeah, I need to get some food. Fabrication, there's a lot of fabrication that we need to do here. The coupler that I have with the clamp, the original BMW clamp, it's not good. It's not fitting over the feed, so I've had to Dremel. I can't get the GoPro down there, but there's a lip all around here, so I'm flattening the lip so the coupler can be seated straight, and I can actually get the clamp around, because the clamp isn't clamping. A lot of fabrication needed with the Dremel to get this coupler to fit. I think the ply of the silicone was just far too thick, but we made it work with this bad boy. Here we go. So it's on. It ain't going anywhere. Right? Happy days. She locked tight, sealed tight. You know what I mean? Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the... Jeez, my camera skills are terrible. We're going to put the MAF sensor, this bad boy, onto it now. So let's get it off. And she's off. Right, there we go. So we're going to angle it probably that way. Yeah, that way. Okay, I'll get back to you when I get this on, because I'll not be able to do it with one hand, because I'm not a professional YouTuber. So okay, it's been a few weeks later. I've gotten it done. It's not completed yet. I will show you still what I want to do. But in terms of whooshing noises and stuff, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The responsiveness as well, with it being mounted at the front of the grille to allow a better feed of air come through. I'm really impressed. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to show you what I still need to do. And then we'll go from there, and then we'll see how we get on. So just pop the hood there, but you'll see it sitting in there. I do have a sock on, a weatherproof sock for when it does rain. Ooh, rain everywhere. I've just put these back on for the time being. You can see the oil cap is in there, because I'm going to change this cover, and we're going to get a 335D. I think it's going to be compatible to fit, so it'll be flat. We don't have any of this here, but this is it here. So on the last clip, I believe we were putting the MAF sensor on. So here's the MAF. Try to get you a better image. And then obviously the 90° with the oval pipe to another 90°, and then to the filter. But I'm very happy. That's all I can say. At the minute, I did say I wanted to try something else. I have a K&N sticker, which I'm going to put on here. And I want to paint this matte black, and then there'll be an embossment of the sticker on it. But we'll do that another day for when the weather gets better, because as you can see, Irish and UK weather isn't the best. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, So I can go in more depth if you want. I can't know. I can go in more depth if you want, but it'll need to be a better day. But yeah, that's it. That's it for now. As I said, I'm gonna paint it and everything, so I'll probably make another video of it in the future, perhaps. And yeah, right, that's it. See you later.